Hey, good morning, guys. This is Creativity 202 for April 16th, 2023, Sunday morning. And I want to welcome the crew. Um, I would recommend that you guys listen in on the Foundations Q&A session you just caught the tail end of. There was some really good work in there on MACD 4 seasons, the patterns of RLCO Generation 1 and 2, and how to integrate those. And I actually thought that last little segment on the difference between execution risk and position sizing risk was as clear as I've ever said it before. Because there's multiple ways I do it, and I've always been kind of fuzzy on getting it out of my head, but it helped clarify that pretty well. So I'm going to check in and say it's been a really amazing week. I had a great podcast interview on Friday with the Alpha Mind on the psychology of trading that was so good that the transcript of it is going to become the psychology chapter in our book. I was just really, really pleased with the way that turned out. And a lot of that has to do with the rehearsals and the practice and the workshopping that we do in these kinds of sessions to get those ideas out of our head and having you guys ask me questions and clarifying. That dialectical engagement is a really powerful force for good. It, you know, iron sharpens iron, sort of. So it's been a really good week for me. And I'm looking forward to listening to your stories, and I feel real good. My little meat eaters did so well on the soccer field yesterday. It was like 12-1, and that was with us holding way back, but they were just playing so well. It just happened that they scored a lot, and to the point where we were trying to do other things. And it's pretty hard to get to discipline 6-year-olds not to score. And you don't want to say don't score, but you want to make it harder to score. But you still have to let them express themselves and still treat the other team gently and as good sports. So that's the joy of youth soccer. But that we were really proud of them yesterday. So that's my check-in. All is well.